Okay, guys, back with another video. I promised we were going to write a Java application using Python. So let's get started. We're going to go back into our tutorial directory, and we're going to be editing this file here, example.py. I'm using PyCharm as my IDE because I'm going to need to do some indentation that I can't do in Notepad. So you can use whatever IDE that you find most friendly for you. I like PyCharm. I think it's the best. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to import some classes from Swing, which is a Java API. I think it comes built in with the Java virtual machine or development environment. And we're going to import some classes from that library. So from javax.swing, I'm going to import JFrame from javax.swing, import this just JLabel. I won't put in any buttons in this video. It probably goes beyond the scope. Okay, so class hello YouTube, not world. Def init pass, and then define a function. I'm going to call it create GUI frame is equal to JFrame. This is going to set the window title. Window title, yes. Then I'm going to create a label equals JLabel. Is hello YouTube label in body of window. Frame dot get content dot add label. I'm going to pack that frame now. Frame dot pack. I hate writing GUI in anything other than HTML and CSS. It's annoying. Frame dot set visible. I'm going to make that true. Okay, and we're done. Now I have to call it to make it executable. App equals hello YouTube. App dot create GUI. Boom. And we're ready to go. So I again compiled this Py file into a class file. That's done. Let me show you how that looks in the folder. There you go. Example.class. Uh, Now we're going to run that previous command line from the previous videos. Here we go. Bring it in the middle of the box. Hello YouTube. Label in the body of window. And there you go. We just created our first GUI application in Java, writing it in Python.